Remember, a decimal like 0.7 lies between the whole numbers. But where exactly? Somewhere between 0 and 1. A number line can pin down its exact spot. Here's how. Take the gap from 0 to 1 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10 of a unit, so the marks land at 0.1, 0.2, all the way to 0.9. Step 7 of them from 0, and there it is, 0.7. Exactly. Now the magic. What about 0.73? Zoom into the gap between 0.7 and 0.8 and blow it up. Divide this gap into 10 equal parts. Each new part is a hundredth. Step 3 from the start, and there it is, 0.73. You can keep zooming in forever. The recipe works for any decimal. To place 2.27, first, find the two ends. It sits between 2.2 and 2.3. Divide that gap into 10 equal parts, each a hundredth, then step up 7 from the start. That's 2.27. Need more digits? Just zoom in again. Let's remember, every decimal has an exact spot on the number line. Divide the gap into 10, zoom into the part you need, and divide again.